Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Aws CLI version 2 on Windows. First of all, we will download the package from this link. Once it's downloaded, we will install it. Next, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, and install. Yes. It is updating component registration, copying new files. And it's completed and finish. Now we will validate our installation by running this command aws --variant. It is processing and now we can see it is showing aws CLI 2.07 and Python, Windows 10 Bluetooth core, and that's it. And now I will show you how to uninstall the aws CLI. For that, we need to run this command appwiz.cpl. We will run this command and now we will go to our programs. In programs we will select aws command line interface v2 and yes. It will take 30 seconds. It is about to uninstall and that's it. Yeah, it has been removed. Okay, thank you.